Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
This question is actually testing on students' understanding on topic 2, biological molecule of AS, about the structure of amino acid. Okay, how can you tell this is an amino acid? Every amino acid will have 4 different groups attached to the alpha carbon. So alpha carbon will be this, where it has 4 different groups such as carboxylic group, amino group, a hydrogen, and an R group. So since we have 20 types of amino acid, so we have a total of 20 types of R group. So are you expected to memorize all the 20 types of R group based on this table? Now, obviously we don't have to, except for a few amino acid names that we have to know, such as amino acid cysteine for disulfide bond. So this question is actually a bit related to chemistry, where you need to be aware that all the R groups need to be attached to the alpha carbon. So the R group can only have 3 bonds because one of the bonds will be attached to the alpha carbon. So let's see for A, is it possible? So imagine you have the alpha carbon here. Okay, CH3. So I have the 3 bonds here. Is it possible for the CH3 to be attached? CH3, yes, no problem. So let's see if B, if it's a possible side chain. So I'll draw the alpha carbon. So let's look at the side chain. CH2, possible. Another CH2, I attach the CH2, sulfur, and then CH3. So no problem. Actually, the back part of the chain, if you don't know how to draw, is fine. The main thing is this first molecule. Is it possible to form a bond with the alpha carbon? Then for C, let's have a look. I have this alpha carbon, CH2. So once the CH2 can bond, you know that it's actually possible side chain already. Then you have another C, double bond O, and the NH2. Okay, let's look at the last choice, D. You can see that the R group is actually very long. Okay, so the first part we have COH and H2, and it's attached to another CH. So let's draw it out. So by drawing the first section, you will realize that it's already saturated the bonds. So from the look of it, it is unlikely that it has any free bonds that can be attached to the alpha carbon. Therefore, this is a not possible side chain. So answer will be donkey. Hope the explanation clarifies your doubt.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.